Okay, so I got sent a big package. Very big package. And already inside it, by the way, Samurai Edge. Review coming on this very soon, I promise. Anyway, so inside this package are Skittles. I got Skittles. Skittles. I do love Skittles, don't get me wrong. I love me some Skittles. I mean, who doesn't like Skittles? Especially Skittles flavored vape juice. That stuff's pretty good. Then again, it depends on what brand, doesn't it? Oh well. Set that there, throw the hat over here, throw my watch back on, because honestly, I can't remember why I took off my watch. Oh no, wait, now I remember why I took off my watch. I'm gonna get anyway. So, moving all the packaging stuff to the side, which, dear Lord above, there's a lot of packaging. Good God, there's so much packaging. Jesus Christ. I gotta be careful because I don't know what actually is packing and I don't know what actually is, stuff. So, okay, that's nothing. Just throw that over, throw that over, throw that over. And we have the first thing. We got some mid-caps. I got a KWA mid-cap here. A K120. That's nice. I got an Elite Force Stanag mid-cap. Another Elite Force Stanag mid-cap. These will do me well. I cannot wait to actually review these. And they got two different types of bottoms. That's actually... Oh, no, wait. This might not be Elite Force. This might be another brand. I don't know what brand that magazine that is. But there's more in here. There's a... I don't know what that is. Is that an amplifier? Because I honestly think that's an amplifier. That's honestly kind of cool. That legitimately is cool. Okay, moving on. We have another mid-cap. This one is nondescript, but it's made in Taiwan. So, one of those things. Okay, moving on. More packing stuff. Trying to make sure I don't miss anything. Oh, parts! Lots and lots of parts, including a M9, which is going to be interesting to build. Let me actually look and see what brand M9 this is, because it might be... Ah, okay, this is an ICS BLE BM9 that I'm going to have to put together. And you know what? I like that. I like building things, so this is definitely going to be interesting. More information on this M9 when I do build it. Which, by the way, there's actually parts in here, which is kind of cool. There is a Crytek motor in here, which that might be going into something. I don't know yet, but we're going to figure that out, I promise. But, either way, though. Setting that to the side. Let's see here. Any more stuff? I don't see, but we do have one more item here, which is actually kind of cool. Oh, this is cool. This is the Elite Force TF CQB. And... oh man, it sucks that isn't a standard M4 buffer tube, because this is actually a really nice M4 buttstock. But this does take CO2, which is honestly kind of nice. I'm a little curious. Oh man, that's chunky. Oh, that's very chunky. Oh man. And the cool thing is that this M4 right here is actually legitimately got some cool features to it that I am really looking forward to checking out, including, of course, the standard M4 magazine release. But legitimately, this is a cool little gun. Like, oh my god, this is going to be so cool to review. Like, no joke. That's actually got some pretty cool iron sights. But either way, though, kind of like an open bolt because, like that. Oh man, which... I am legit impressed by this thing. The construction on it's not that bad. I wish there was some threading on the end of it. Or there might be underneath. I don't know yet. But there is a lot about this I'm legit looking forward to. But either way, though, that's actually a lot of cool stuff I got in this. I don't know if there's any more. Let me just take a quick look in here, make sure I'm not throwing away anything. Making sure... no, I'm not. Okay. There's nothing else in here that I gotta worry about. So, yeah, all good. And the big thing, though, folks, is that this unboxing, two of these were actually from a friend of mine out in California. My first gas blowback rifle, which is technically a non-blowback rifle, and, of course, the M9, which will be given away at an event coming up in March 25th, 2023 at 1 p.m. at Tupelo Airsoft Club. If you want to learn more about that, stick to the end of the video at the end screen to actually find out more about that. But either way, though, ladies and gentlemen, as always, I've been Airsoft Al, and this has been a pretty big unboxing, and I shall see all you lovely people in the next video. Till next time. Later.